Magandang buhay at isang mapagpalang araw para sa aking pamangkin na si Ada Krishna. She celebrate her 18th birthday. Yay, dibu. Ang saya ng family niya, of course. Yan ang sister ko with her purple dress. And then while waiting for the other guests, yung mga friends, and here she comes, the pretty little baby. Was a baby and now a lady. Of course, with my daughter. And here she is. Getting ready for her entourage. Wow. Gorgeous. Well, I just hope that she will be happy, not only for today, but until the days will come in her life. Yay! Maganda siya, uy. And of course, 18 roses with a dance. And picture with my daughter. With my brother and sisters. And their dance. So nice to join. Really so much fun. Thank you everyone for watching. God bless.